everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my Boxycharm Base Box unboxing for the month of May. So we will jump right into that. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and typically on my channel I do all things makeup. I am normally in the video, however, because of some recent surgeries, I will be not in the video for several weeks, so bear with me while I try and get through my surgeries, and then we'll be back to normal. So Boxycharm Base Box. Let's open it up and jump into it real quick. This is for the month of May, and the theme is Flourish. I have the, as I knock the box over, I have the variation C210509-BA. So let's go ahead and jump into the box. The first thing that I have right here is the TYNT Haze Smokey Eye Pencil. It is in the color Pinot Noir right there on the top. And because I've had surgery recently, I am having a challenge trying to see if this is in focus. I hope that it is. So here is the TYNT Haze eyeliner. It achieves both definition and blendability with this pencil. The unique formulation allows you to create precision and feather edges with a soft dab of a finger or a beauty sponge. This firm yet creamy formulation glides on with ease, and it creates a soft smoky eye and rich defined wing. Retail value $18. I do love that it is not a typical black eyeliner. It is not a twist up. It is actually a sharpened pencil with plastic, and that is the color. Oh wow, that is beautiful. It is super creamy. Let's see if we can blend out this end a little bit, and we can pretty readily, which is really nice. So if you wanted to smoke it out at the edge, you absolutely could. That is some deep color right there, and it is nice and smooth and beautiful. So I do really like that. That is awesome. The next product that I see in here is the Drybar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Spray. And so it says that this spray is a lightweight spray that protects dry hair from heat styling and curling, straightening, and styling irons for up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. Retail value $27. So you do spray this on dry hair before you iron it or curl it or those type of things. As always, Drybar is beautiful packaging, and I do like quite a few of Drybar things, so I will absolutely have to try this. Next product, and I believe this was my choice item, is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I was very interested in trying this to see what it was like. I know it's been out for quite a while, but it says this instant eye lift in a tube, sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focus finish, includes a removable sponge for on-the-go blending. $27 is the retail value. It is in the shade Sunbeam, and I believe that is one of the lightest shades that they have. So there it is. This is that blendable sponge that you see at the end. You can pull it all the way out. I'm not sure how clean that is, especially on the go. And so then here is the wand. It is a flat shaped wand, not a doe foot, so flat on both sides, more like a spatula. And so there is the product. I have seen people actually use this with Shape Tape, and what they do is they actually put this either underneath or on top, and it does brighten it up quite a bit. I don't know that it provides a lot of coverage per se. That is quite light, and there is quite a bit of shimmer in there. I don't know if you can see it. I imagine that's that Diamond Complex, but it does give you that shimmer, almost like a highlighter-ish look. I'm not sure what I think about that under my eyes on all my wrinkles, so we'll have to try that out and see. That'll be interesting. Okay, next product in here is the Lavish Eye Brush Set. And so this is Essential Eye Collection. The Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. Retail value $30. According to this, it is a new launch. I do like these bright primary colors, so you have that beautiful green and yellow. Let's bring out these brushes real quick and feel them. At the very, very end, they are pointed. It is a plastic wooden feel, that's excellent English, feel to the handles. It does have the yellow, it is metal, and then there is the brush. So you have kind of a blending brush right here. You have a flat blending brush or shader brush right there. This is a very small pointed blending brush, and for hooded eyes, I think this is great, especially to get in the crease or in the corner. Here is a pencil eyeliner, and I do like it. Actually is pretty stiff, so that's pretty nice. And then the last one is an angled blending brush. So there are the 5. And then I only have one more product to go. So the last product that I see in there is a beautiful little box that is from Beckman. It is the Dewy Eyed Eye Serum. And I've actually really wanted to try a couple of things from Beckman. This is a new product line. They do have it at Ulta. It says, say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. A powerful blend of actives and goat milk quickly absorbs into skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Retail value $42. Beckman does have a lot of goat's milk in most of their products. I do really like that. The directions on here basically are to apply a pea-sized amount under your eyes. There you go. Let's open this up and see. It is plastic, not, oh wow, that was hard. Plastic, not paper container. So I don't know what I think about that. This is a nice little canvas, white canvas drawstring bag, and there is your product. I think the product bottle actually looks kind of cheap compared with the price of it, although $42 for the amount of serum that you're getting isn't bad, but I've seen, it is plastic, the whole thing, which is kind of nice, but I've seen nicer packaging. This kind of reminds me of drugstore packaging. And so let's go ahead, I'm going to put it on this hand. Oh, and it is clear, and it is quite a clear serum. I don't know if you could even see that on my hand. I guess I was thinking it would be a little bit thicker or maybe creamy colored, but it is not. Oh, it smells like goat's milk. Oh, I don't really like that. Okay, well, there you go. Be interested to try that. I'm not sure how well I'll tolerate that under my eyes with that smell, but absolutely we'll see. You definitely can smell the goat's milk in there. So there we go. So that is my, let's put it the right way, that is my Boxycharm Base Box for the month of May. Let's add up the value really quickly so that you guys can see how much value is in this box. So $27 for the Tarte Shape Glow Wand. We have $42 for the eye serum, $30 for the brush set, $27 for the Drybar, and $18 for the eyeliner, which comes to a total of $144. I do think that this is on the lower end of a lot of the base box values, although still for the price, $25 with $144 of product is very good. I absolutely am not complaining about that. I do like that we got some makeup products, but again, this month was definitely not as heavy in base box or premium box for me for makeup products, which is what I prefer. So there we are. Let me know what you guys got in your base boxes. Did you love it this month? What do you really want to try? Keep me updated and in the loop so I know what's going on. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!